everyone, my name is Duong Yalin. Today we learn how to draw mouse. Number 1. Two, and then 7 equal and then 9, draw tail and eye, and draw mouth, and then we draw so-called tiny nose. Finish.